Hello dear friends, welcome to our showroom. Today I will introduce our products to you, and you can see here, this is our chest freezer, and this is the middle size of the chest freezer, and we have a lot of different products, and you can see, look around our showroom. Here is our freezer. We have the 1-door and 2-door products, and you can see in the inside cabinet. This is using the fan cooling system, and we can see here, this is the big wall chest freezer, and this is different kinds of island freezer, and we can use these products on the supermarket and for the big room, serious single door and glass door, upright showcase chiller and commercial refrigerator. We can have the light box design, and without the light box design to show the more inside cabinet to show our products. And here we have our new design mid showcase. This is very hot sell products in Thailand market. This is the fan cooling model, and this is the static cooling model. And look around this. This is the upright chiller for beer or something else, vegetables and fruits to keep the fresh food and the drink cooler. We have 2-door and 3-door, and we use this aluminum frame and the handle, and we use the digital controller. And this one is our hot selling product. It is the island freezer. We have the glass door. This is the free glass door model, and you can see here we have the LED light in the inside cabinet. Then it has 7 baskets in the inside cabinet, and it used the coated steel materials. It also have the locks for protect the products in the product, and it used the mechanical controller with the display, and this is the light switch.